our workshop, it's related to the carbon fiber, the plastic, metal, everything, to Mercedes, to other premium cars. We have the very big workspace. We buy all the materials. Many people, nearly hundreds, being processed with the manufacturing of these details. And what is carbon fiber itself? It's a material, it's a genuine carbon, like a twill which is connected with the vacuum infusion and the special resin coat inside it. And we have the proper shape detail we can install on the car further. But as we take the carbon fiber from China, what we see is adjusted ABS plastic. So please beware carefully while you do your custom order from China or from original store. So if you want to purchase the qualitative product for your luxury premium car, you may always contact me, and otherwise we will do the next videos about the plastic, metal, and so on and so on. Put your likes, subscribe, see you.